Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few tips for your camera on your TCL 30. So the first tip would be to go to the settings. When you open your camera, is this gear icon in the top left corner of the screen. Press on it and now you'll be able to see a lot of settings which you can change to improve the camera. And the first one is to actually use gesture to capture. So I would recommend you leaving this on, and you can just put your phone on some triple stand, and if you make a gesture like this and your phone detects it, it will take the photo automatically. Sometimes it's tricky to actually make it, but it helps with making photos on a triple stand. So the next option is to go for the settings again, and here you have a quick snap. I would also recommend using it because if you sometimes want to capture something really fast because you have no time to do it, you can take pictures even when your phone is locked. So let's lock our phone and now press the volume down button 2 times really fast. And we've just taken a photo of this plant without even unlocking our phone like this. The next option is to go to settings yet again, and here you can enable the calorie detection, and if you plan on eating something and want to keep everything counted, you can point at your food and then your camera will tell you the calories and how much this food will actually affect you. So next setting is photo size. You can press on it and you'll be able to change the photo size of your camera. So for a specific photos, some ratios might be better. So for example, if you want, you can use 15 megapixels 4x3 high pixel, and then the ratio will change, but the photos will look much better. But if you want to capture more of your screen, of course you can disable high pixel, move to the settings, and then for photo size again and enable full screen. So now if we go back, the camera resolution will change, but we'll be able to capture more things on our photo. Next tip is to press somewhere on the screen and you'll be able to change the brightness without going to the settings. So you just click somewhere, then there's this sun icon next to your shutter and you can just adjust the brightness like that. Now next option is to press on the settings again, move down and find the wait a second. It's not here, so let's scroll down our toolbar and here there's touch to shoot, enable it. And now if you press somewhere on your screen, you don't need to press the shutter to make the screenshot, the picture. Simply press somewhere on your screen and the picture will be taken. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.